Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm by myself today in the studio. Um, I'm going to be doing this video today talking about basically question and answers that you guys have left in the comment section. I'm going to be answering some of those questions during today's session. And I'm going to try to keep it brief, right? I'm not going to make a very long video, but I'm going to try. And you know how I am. I love to blather on. It's not like I like the sound of my voice or anything like that. It's just that I love talking about Bitcoin, so it's really hard for me to stop. So we're going to be doing that today, and thanks I want to say thanks to Tap 270 who provided all the questions for today. And all right, so let's begin with first off. Before we get onto the questions, actually, I want to talk about a few news articles. Right, looks like Crypto broke the police just confiscated 4.2 billion dollars worth of Bitcoin from the Plus token scam. That's awesome. It looks like the Chinese government is going to be into crypto. If they're smart, right? They will, pretend that they're going to auction it off, but not really do it. That's what I would do if I was in their shoes. Also, uh, Carl from the Moon, right?
Inside.
He was talking about. You have to check out this video. He was talking about this one person who says he knows a bunch of billionaires, and he's saying that they're buying up Bitcoin. Here, let me just put on my headphones and let me play a little bit of that for you.
From a longer live stream that he made, but here you go. Listen to this.
I was on the phone the other day with a billionaire, well-known billionaire. If I said him, many of you guys would probably know him. And I said to him, and by the way, this is not advice, and I am just giving information. And so please do not invest because of me or do not do anything because of me, okay? But I was on the phone with this billionaire the other day, and he said to me, Bill, he says, do you understand that there are literally 30 other billionaires that are in Bitcoin that have not come out and publicly said, "Oh, I'm in Bitcoin. I'm in Bitcoin." I said, "No way."
Well, I have to admit, right after watching that, that makes me feel like what the hell? That's like duh. I mean, come on. If we've already heard of 3 billionaires that have already come out and purchased Bitcoin. More have done so, right? Maybe not the Peter Schiff, right? Because he's also a billionaire, but that there's this percentage of them like has realized the same thing as Michael Saylor. You know what? I know that I'm gonna get debased, and maybe I should have a percentage so that it will offset my losses, my debased losses in cash. Duh. Alrighty, so let's get on to questions, right? For today. First question, right? We have right is from Salam. Thank you, Salam, for watching my videos, and thank you for leaving a comment. Really appreciate it. Do you have a guide on how to buy your token? Also, is the group on Telegram because Telegram is banned in Dubai? Ooh, really? I did not know Telegram is banned in Dubai. Yes, it is. Telegram is where we have the group, and I'm real sorry that you will not be able to participate. To buy the token, right? If you just go to any of my videos, right, and I'll bring you to one of my videos here, right? If you go to my channel, right, and you click on the videos, right, and then you go down to show more, right here, and you scroll down, you'll see how to buy the Davinci J15 token, and then how to enter the Telegram group, which of course you won't be able to do so. The token, right, is you could always hold it, right, as a means of supporting my channel, and then also not just supporting my channel, but also like the revenue that I'm going to be getting, because you guys paid for me getting into this to help me build this channel. The few people that did start off, right, they helped me. And so there's still more tokens left. Let's look at that. There's like all kinds of pairs now. Somebody's got different pairs for the tokens now. There's like different pairs, and I don't know why. Meaning that somebody's trying to set up buying and selling the token in Uniswap or something like that. But anyways, I digress. So yeah, you can purchase it in Ethereum, and I will be buying up these tokens. I will be putting. We're trying to put together a website to explain how much tokens are going to be out there, what I'm going to do with the rest of them, how I'm going to be just basically. Large majority of the tokens I will be burning and stuff like that, and then there will be a certain percentage left, and then I will promise not to use these certain tokens, set of tokens and stuff like that. But anyways, I'll have it all written down and on our website once we have it up. So it will be available on the website coming soon, right? Which we are working on right now, which I've been slacking on because I had lots of other projects to work on. But it will be on this website, and it will be the new logo that, as you can see, that we're using as well. So yes, that is the future to come for Davinci J15. All right, let's head over to question number 2. Davinci, you give classes on when to buy and when to sell, and the answer is, I'm sorry, I do not do classes on when to buy and when to sell. There's no such thing as that. It's more of like an artwork, and you have to learn how to trade on your own. Come up with your own method, and the best way to do that, if you head over to the rationalinvestor.com, DJ Dark Killer, and you can get $50 off their course, which is the course that I took, and I did very well. Unfortunately, the classes are full, but maybe next year for September, I think they start up in January. You can start learning your classes as well. Maybe in the future, I'm thinking, not 100% sure, of creating like an online video tutorial on how to trade, a short one, basically it'll deal with everything that I learned in the first year here, but don't know if I want to do that. I'm considering it. So I'm not. There's no guarantees that I will do that. Okay, just so you know. Okay. Next question. All right. What we have here is from Chip STO, Crip STO. Sorry, Crip STO. Is there a way to only get the Telegram group? Well, going forward, we will be selling the Telegram group and giving you Pandora's wallet free on this website. So you will be able to do that, but not right now. So yeah. Alrighty. Next question. This is question number 4, and we got 2 more to go. So I'm only going to do 5 today, and then I'm going to call it a day. So because you know how I am, I can blather on forever. All right. So, I don't know what the heck. Well, anyways, this guy's asking what you think about XRP, with all the people saying that it will go to $10 and more in the next year. BTC is slow and takes a lot of energy. XRP is fast and non-cost and no cost. Okay, yeah, a lot of you've been sucked into the XRP army, right? They have convinced you that Bitcoin is a waste of time and XRP is better. And there's a thing. This is called the trilemma in the cryptocurrency universe, right? Where you can be secure, right, but not fast, right, and not decentralized, right? You can't be all 3 of these. You can't be fast. You can't be secure, fast, and decentralized, right? So, basically, right. XRP gave up on one of those features in order to be fast. So the security model I think they gave up on 2. The security model is somewhat weak, and also they're not centralized. They're mostly centralized, basically. Sorry, they're mostly centralized because it's mostly run on consensus. There is no blockchain per se. It's 100% consensus driven, and so that consensus is controlled by a central authority, right? They say that it's not. They say that it's federated, and that's cool, federated, but it just means big corporations can control the consensus, right? Big people, with lots of money. Whilst whilst Bitcoin is everybody controls consensus. So, for example, let me give you an example. The current soft fork, right, is signaled by node operators. So all you have to do in order to agree with the new version of Bitcoin, right, is go to bitcoin.org, download. If you already have this downloaded, right, download the basic wallet, right? And I'm going to skip this helper, and then you go and download. So let's say you wanted the Windows version, you download the Bitcoin Core, the latest version, and then you wait for it to sync, and then boom, right, you are agreeing to the new version going forward with Taproot and Schnorr signatures and so forth. Should you not agree, you just keep with your old version, and that would be that. That's your vote. Nice and simple, right? So so that's how consensus is done on Bitcoin. Now, you could say, well, it takes up a lot of energy. Well, a lot of things take up a lot of energy. The sun takes up a lot of energy. We think we're wasting that. I think the sun's wasting itself on us. Like, really? Really? Come on. There's a lot of things that waste energy. And so we use this energy, right, to secure a network of transferring funds between people and make sure that no one can cheat the system, right? And now you're saying, most people might think, well, energy, oh my God, we're going to run out of energy. Dude, look around. The sun produces the most amount of energy out of everything that we've got here. Right? We have energy inside the ground. We have energy everywhere, okay? And Bitcoin, what it does when you, because it uses up energy, what we have to be afraid of is one day energy is going to be absolutely free because it's everywhere. That's the real concern you should be concerned about. What happens to Bitcoin when energy is free? Right? And I'm not going to answer that question because, I'll go on forever. But anyways, right? So yeah, because energy is everywhere, right? So there will be a day when energy is free. Okay, so don't worry about that. It'll basically be the cost of producing the equipment to actually produce the energy. That's it, right? And that's like saying, well, then you got to pay for that cost, man. That's a lot of cost. And I'm like, okay, dude, how much does it cost you to make a phone call over the internet? Nothing. But wait a second. You have to pay the internet provider. But yeah, I guess I have to pay that. But no, you don't use the internet for primary use of calling, do you? You use it to browse. The fact that you can make a call is just an extra bonus, and thus making it free. Got it? Alrighty. Whew. Yes, I can go on a rant sometimes, man. Okay, Paul here is saying, I finally thought to join the wallet, but the site's down. Links go nowhere. Well, you know what? Let's end this with, yeah, it does work, and the links do work. Let's check it on the website. Let's check it on my actually, I'm on in this here, right here. So let's see here. Pandora's wallet. Let's see if this link goes to nowhere. Yeah, it goes there. So let me check any other links. I don't think I have any other links to Pandora's wallet on this. In this, it'd just be overkill if I did that. So yeah, it does work, And then let's see here, Davinci Codes Blog. Yeah, that works, right? Yeah. So, yeah, everything's working here. Please check out Carolina's blog if you guys haven't done so. And yeah, so that's how, remember, right? If you want to get more information and if you want to help out my channel, right? It's really simple, right? You could either do it two ways. One is just, you know what? I'm just gonna help out this way. I'm gonna hit the like button. That's all you need to do, and I appreciate it. Right? You could do that right now. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and the bell notification and all, and yeah, and you help out the channel. Or you can hit show more and scroll down and choose any of the affiliates that we have here. Right? They'll give you some of these guys will give you bonuses and so forth. And yeah, you can do that also, right? You can also get EliPal and all that stuff, right? All these different wallets and so forth, and track your alts for taxes and so forth. So yeah, thank you very much, everyone, for watching. I really appreciate all you guys watching our show. All this production, all this equipment here that you see here was purchased with the fact that you guys have purchased the DJ15 token, and I really appreciate that. So thank you very much for purchasing the DJ15 token, and thank you very much for watching my channel. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna probably do this again. Cheers.